Thank you much. Let's go ahead and down the line, knock out the next open mic. Here it is.
Hi, Larry. Andy calling from Wisconsin. Which way would you put an oil seal? Spring towards the bearing or away from the bearing? Thanks.
Now, see, this is a trick question because it depends on the application. A grease seal, the actual spring part should go towards the bearing, okay? Unless we are talking about something that is being submerged in, like, water. In that case, you would have usually two seals. One, the spring will go towards the bearing, and then the other one would face the opposite direction to keep impurities in water from actually getting to the oil seal. So the seals can be in different directions, but in your case, if it is an oil seal for a vehicle, an engine, a grease seal for a wheel or something like that, the spring part will always go towards the bearing itself. But that could be that could go a couple different ways depending on the application. There's even some great big huge trucks, 1.5 ton, 2-ton trucks that could actually have two seals in them, and they also use a seal that faces the opposite direction. So, but those are applications that use two seals as opposed to one. If it's just one seal and it's an automotive application, the spring part will always go towards the bearing. Hope that helps you.